Yeah, if it's really important, I'll be barely on time. Like how I submitted my NIJI application 2 minutes before the form deadline. Yay! Woo! If I took 2 more minutes, I would not be here right now. I didn't miss the interview. I was on time for all the interviews. I missed the first meeting with Obsidia, but that wasn't because I was late. That's because I set my alarm for the wrong time. That was honestly worse than being late. You were so late you missed it? Well, if you put it that way, kinda. I had to come back another day to discuss whatever we talked about in that meeting, and I kept saying sorry the whole time, and they were like, it's okay, you don't have to say sorry anymore, Petra. Can we just get on with the meeting? I was like, I'm so sorry. You know, I heard the NIJI, the first audition form bugged out at the end, in the last minute. I think people were submitting so much that it bugged out. So if I was 30 seconds later, my application might not have gone through. Can you imagine? Because I saw people were like, oh my god, I couldn't send in my application because the form died. ANYCOLOR, please, can you please take my application still? I sent it in on time, it just didn't go through because of the bug. So that could have been me too. Hope those people were able to apply again. That's why you don't wait until the last minute. Okay, in my defense, for the first NIJI auditions, I had a good reason. Okay, I had finals, and my finals ended the day before the audition, deadline. So I told myself I wouldn't. I was like, I'm not allowed to start working on this until after my finals, because I'm not gonna fail my finals for some random VTuber audition that I'm probably not gonna get into, you know? I was between my finals and being a VTuber, my finals are more important. So I forced myself to not think about it until I finished my finals, and I was super sleep deprived because I didn't sleep for 3 days, but I was like, okay, now I gotta work on this shit. Yeah. Do you turn in assignments last minute as well? Yeah, hell yeah. Of course. If it's due at midnight, 11:59. Oh man, I'm never getting past level 77. This is where it's over for me. Due tomorrow, due tomorrow. Due at midnight, due at midnight. Petra, were you a good student? I'm decent-ish. I'm a decent-ish student. I have probably have I don't know. It kind of differs depending on the class I'm taking, but my average is an A-, I think. I'm not wow, honor student, but I'm not. Yeah, if it's really important, I'll be barely on time. Like how I submitted my NIJI application 2 minutes before the form deadline. Yay! Woo! If I took 2 more minutes, I would not be here right now.